Ever wanted to preserve your favorite memories in a creative, aesthetic way? Let's make a stunning scrapbook using Canva, completely online and super easy. First, head over to Canva and in the search bar, type Scrapbook. You'll see tons of beautifully designed templates to choose from. Pick one that matches your vibe, whether it's travel, friendship, family, or just random moments you love. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to explore Canva's features. You can drag and drop your own photos, add stickers, doodles, or even vintage paper textures from Canva's built-in elements. Try playing with frames, borders, and background patterns to give your scrapbook that layered, handmade look. Next, personalize your design with text. Add quotes, dates, or small captions beside your pictures. Canva offers so many fun fonts. Mix and match a few to make your page pop. You can also change colors, resize elements, and adjust spacing until everything feels just right. When you're happy with your design, hit the download button. Choose PDF print for the best quality if you're planning to print it out, or save it as a digital version to share with friends online. And that's it. You've just made a unique scrapbook in Canva. No scissors, no glue, just pure creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more easy design ideas, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching and happy scrapbooking.